Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for a Talabat job. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what we first need to do is go to this website here, corporate.talabat.com/careers. Once you're here, we want to scroll down and then it will say ready to make the move together. Click on visit our career site. Now this is going to redirect to careers at deliveryhero.com. This is part of Talabat. So we want to scroll down here and you can see the things that set us apart. So over 6,000 employees with over 90 different nationalities, 8 countries. Scroll past there and then it will say jobs you might be interested in. If there's anything here you like, go ahead and click onto it. But if you want to go ahead and see more, click on see all. Now we can go ahead and filter these job results. So what I suggest is location. Choose your location to filter the jobs in that location. You can also do job category, job type, and brand as well. So obviously it's going to be Talabat. Now for this demonstration, say if I'm in QA, I'm going to click on QA and click on apply. Now there's 3 jobs that I can go ahead and apply for. So say if I want to become a sales executive, I can go ahead and click on apply. And then we can have a look at the opportunity, scroll down. You can see what they cater for, who we are. And if you like what you see, go ahead and click on the apply button. So, and also we can apply via LinkedIn if you've got a LinkedIn account or a Indeed account. That makes things easier. So yeah, go ahead and fill out this form, scroll down, put in your resume here. And then you want to kind of put a cover letter here, message to the hiring team, and then click next, and then go through the prompts. And then from there, just simply await your response. So if your application meets the job requirements, Talabat's HR team will contact you for the next steps, which may include interviews and assessments.